There are two equations that we learned in grade 11 that deal with solutions. The first one is C equals N over V, where capital C stands for the molar concentration of a solution, N stands for moles, and V is volume of the solution in liters. The second equation is when you're doing a dilution, and that's C1V1 equals C2V2. This is when you're taking a solution that has already been made and adding water to it to make a new solution with a lesser concentration. So here are some examples. For our first calculation, we need to find the molar concentration. So we're going to use C equals N over V. What we need to do is we need to figure out how many moles are in 5.26 grams of sodium chloride. In order to do that, I take the mass and I divide by the molar mass of NaCl, which is 58.44 grams per mole. That gives me 0.0900 moles of sodium chloride. If I divide that by the volume of my solution in liters, so I take 125 mils and divide it by 1,000, that gives me the molar concentration of the solution in moles per liter, which the short form is a capital M. In this next example, we're doing a dilution. We want to know what volume of 18 mole per liter sulfurous acid do we need in order to make a 0.25 mole per liter solution. So we're going to use the equation C1V1 equals C2V2. So remember, the side that has the ones on it, that's what you start with. So I'm going to start with an 18 mole per liter solution. I want to know what volume that I need in order to make a 0.25 mole per liter solution, and I want to make 1 liter of it. In these kinds of equations, you're going to be given 3 of the variables and you need to rearrange and find the 4th. So in order to do that, I take 0.25 times 1 divided by 18. That gives me 0.0139 liters, or if you want to convert that into mils, you would times it by 1,000. So I need 13.9 mils of my concentrated acid, and then I would add enough water to make 1 liter of solution.